From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 52. So today we will talk about this grammar format, kata, which means how to in Japanese. Using this you can say things like, I don't know how to use chopsticks, I don't know how to buy a ticket, and so on. And this is the grammar format. Mas stem plus kata. So it's very simple. Mas stem means like this. For example, if a verb is tabemasu, to eat, drop mas off, and this remaining part, tabe, that's the mas stem. So use this mas stem and then add kata. Together it means how to. So, example, how to eat is this, tabekata. Eat is tabemasu. So use the mas stem tabe and then add kata. Together it means how to eat. Now I will show you how to use this part in a sentence. I don't know how to use chopsticks. 箸の使い方がわかりません。使い方 This is how to use. To use in mas form is 使います。Therefore, drop mas off and use only the mas stem, and then add kata. Together, it's how to use. Chopsticks is hashi, and there is no particle because 使い方. This whole part is considered as a noun. Therefore, noun, no particle, then another noun. If you don't know how to use this no particle, please go back to lesson 31 and then you can learn how to use this no particle. So basically, you can use no particle when you modify a noun using another noun. So, Hashi explains more in detail about what is this 使い方 about. And わかりません means I don't know. And you need to use ga particle whenever you use this verb わかります. So always it's ga particle then わかります. So the whole sentence is this. 箸の使い方がわかりません. So now I'd like you to do this exercise. Translate the sentences into Japanese and you can refer to those mas form when you translate the sentence. Please stop the video and when you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. I don't know how to buy a ticket. 切符の買い方がわかりません。How to buy is 買い方 mas stem plus kata. And again, a ticket is 切符 It's a noun and also it's a noun. Therefore, noun, no particle, another noun. Then I don't know, わかりません. And before the verb わかります use ga particle. Another sentence. I don't know how to eat this dish. この料理の食べ方がわかりません. How to eat 食べ方. And dish is 料理 in Japanese. So, noun, no particle and another noun. And I don't know once again is わかりません. Use ga particle before this verb. Lastly, please tell me how to read this kanji. この漢字の読み方を教えてください。How to read is 読み方 Mass stem plus kata. And please tell me or please teach me is 教えてください。You have learned this grammar format before. Please do something is て form plus ください。So now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 切符の買い方がわかりません。この料理の食べ方がわかりません。この漢字の読み方を教えてください。Very good job. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me anytime and I will be very happy to answer your questions. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comment below. I will check and correct your homework. You can refer to those math form when you translate the sentences. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。